So in this video we are going to continue from our previous video in which we had learned to create library and learn about the function of the most, how can we search articles by different methods that we had learned, and now we are going to learn about how can we save our articles and that we can learn in the local library, and then we are going to learn about the full text and the PDF and then insert citation in MS Word. It will continue. So let's begin from our previous EndNote library file. Here I will show you that how can we search. Firstly, we have to select the online search mode, then we have to select PubMed NLM, and now here we are going to search the dash that he approaches to stop hypertension in the title of the year 2020. So here we can see the number of articles. I want to see these articles. I will click OK. So here you can see the number which are showed in the result are completed here. Online references are 54, and from PubMed NLM, from this specific search we had get 54 articles here. So now if I can see its abstract here, it should have to be annotated style. Here I can see its preview. If I am interested in this, then I will select it and I will copy reference to dash.env, dash and library. So here you can see I recently added here the single reference which I see in this tab, copy reference. This. And here I see the title of pages. And previously I searched 23 articles, and with it becomes 24. But I would like to select more from them, so I will select, and if I would like to select multiple articles, then I have to press the Control key, then I can select whatever the articles in which we are interested, that we can select like this. Otherwise, if we would like to copy it, then we have to place our cursor on one of the highlighted articles. Then we have to right click and copy reference to dash.env, and all we can see in the local library mode. Here you can see I copied recently 11 articles, and previously that was 24, and now it is 35 articles. So here you can see that. Okay. So like this we can search. If I would like to search, it will show me the result of previous 5 years of the selecting PubMed NLM. There are 332 articles in previous 5 years. As I click OK, all of them will be here. And this 54 will be added. So here we can see there are 332 articles of previous 5 years which contains dash in the title, and we have total references 386. If we add previous 54, then it will be the total. Okay, so here you can see the author tab. These are the authors. Here are the year. Here is the title, journal, reference. So here we can see we have searched from 2016 to 2020. So here is the 2016, 17, 18, 19 and the 20. So if you would like to select some article from the 2019, then we can pick from it this one. The article we should have to select of our interest. We cannot select it randomly. But here I am doing the demo, so I am just selecting it. But when we are going to work on our project, then we have to work so keenly for our accuracy work. So here I selected some article from 2019. Some I will pick from the 2018. From here we can also see what are the research articles and what are the review articles, so we can select accordingly. So that's it. I will select it, right click, then copy it to dash.pnl, and here I can see it in the local library. Here I copied total 16 references recently. So here we can see. Now we are coming towards our next, which is how can we get the full text and how can we get the PDF of the searched article. So firstly we have to select whole of the articles by pressing the key of the Ctrl A, and now we have to select here the find full text. We can just click it. Here we can see that it starts searching. So here we can see the searching of the full text has stopped, and here is the result, which shows that the PDF of these search articles are 18, and there are URL of 25 articles and 8 which doesn't count from our search. But here you can see we had totally selected 51 articles, on which we had kept 18 free full text articles, so we can study it, and it is a huge stuff which we can study here. So here we can select our PDFs. Now here I want to mention that here you can see the clips. These paper clips indicates the PDF. Okay, so here if I show you these 51 articles, so wherever you are seeing these paper clips, it means there are the PDFs which we have found. But from the found PDF, we can select our whole bunch of the PDF article. So by clicking or highlighting the single article, here we can see, and the first thing is by highlighting one of the article, we can see here its full article. Okay. If I would like to see its full screen, then I will select it, and here is the full PDF we can see. And from this small cross we can close it. If I would like to study this one, I can see here. These all contains the PDF by this paperclip, and it is the easiest method for searching and getting the full text and the PDF from the EndNote. Now it's time to come for the citation. Now here we can come over the insert citation in the MS Word or in our article. That how can we do this? So firstly, I want to mention it that wherever we want to insert our citation, then we should have to put our cursor there. Then we have to go to the EndNote, and if we had studied our article and we would like to add this, then we have to highlight one of the article which we are interested in. Here is the demo. Here is I'm showing only the demo. So I'm just selecting this one, and by just pressing the key of the Alt and the 2, I will get here the citation. If I would like to cite here, then I will insert my citation. Then I have to press the Control key, and I can select multiple articles. Then Alt 2. Here I placed my cursor, so here we can see there are 6 articles referenced here. So here on the last of the page, we can see its references, its bibliography. Our references should have to be in the last page, and here we can give the main references. If I would like to insert it here, then I have to go to the EndNote, and I will select multiple articles, then Alt 2. Here is the thing to learn, that here you can see the number 2, and here is also the 2. It means that we had repeated it 2 times. So if we had mentioned our article multiple times, the same article multiple times, then it will not manipulate it. And here we can see the style. We can change it accordingly. For example, if I select Vancouver, it will not change because it indicates the numbers, but it had changed bracket style. Vancouver contains the round bracket, and the IEE contains the square bracket. If I would like to change APA6 style, then here you can see the options and the year. So that's how we cite our article.